Introducing the Sunblast FLX, the ultimate hybrid IP65 LED strobe and floodlight fixture from PROLIGHTS. At its core, the Sunblast FLX features a central linear white LED strip designed to replicate the intense traditional look of a xenon strobe. But that's only the beginning. Surrounding it is a powerful RGB+Warm White LED panel, delivering vibrant colors and superior color rendering powered by Spectra OS technology. With advanced pixel mapping, the Sunblast FLX gives you creative control over 28 individual pixels, 12 for the white strobe and 16 for the RGB+WW panel. Engineered to deliver outstanding output, the Sunblast FLX reaches 1,200 watt peak power in strobe mode and provides 400 watts of continuous output, ensuring unmatched brightness even in continuous duty cycle. The fixture's modular tool-free rigging system allows for quick assembly, horizontal or vertical, floor-mounted or suspended. The Sunblast FLX adapts to any stage or event configuration with its fast lock design and versatile accessories. The Sunblast FLX, a hybrid fixture that combines high-intensity strobe, powerful flood, and flexible rigging for the most demanding productions.